Welcome back to our English Grammar Complete course. Article looks like the simplest word in English. However, because its use depends on sound rather than just spelling, it is a frequent source of errors in competitive exams and interviews. Today, we look at the logic that prevents those mistakes. To use this word correctly, we have to look at three specific requirements. First, article is an indefinite article, meaning anischit. It refers to something not specific. Second, it is singular, meaning exactly one. And third, it is strictly reserved for countable nouns. Let's clarify what countable means in a classroom context. If you can physically number a noun, 1 pen, 2 pens, 3 chairs, it is countable. If a noun passes this test, article can be used. Most students are taught to simply put in front of any word starting with a consonant letter. But relying on the first letter alone is where the errors begin. Mastering article A is actually about identifying the specific boundaries of a noun and the sound it makes when spoken. The unbreakable rule is this: article A relies entirely on consonant sounds. It ignores spelling. The way you pronounce the word is your only guide. Take the word university. Seeing the vowel U, many assume article A is incorrect. But listen to the pronunciation. U-ni-ver-si-ty. The first sound is y. Since y is a consonant sound, the correct usage is a university. This frequently appears in grammar tests. Consider a noun like water. Can you count one water? You cannot. Because article A means one, a water violates the singularity rule. To use an article, we must use a container. Moving from uncountable liquid to a countable unit allows us to say a glass of water or a bottle of milk. In English, we must measure the unmeasurable and prioritize the sounds we hear over the letters we see. This logic also applies to how we describe what people do. In Hindi, we might say, "Wo teacher hai," but in English, you must include the article to identify the occupation. He is a teacher, she is a doctor. We also use a when introducing a noun for the first time in a story. If I say, "There was a king," I am introducing someone new. Once you know who he is, I then switch to the king. Let's test your progress. Look at these 3 incorrect sentences. Based on the rules of professions, countables, and liquids, identify the errors and write the corrections in the comments. Here are the corrections. He is a teacher identifies the profession. I bought a pen accounts for a singular object. And a glass of water uses a container to make the liquid countable. By applying these rules, you use article A to clarify quantity, define roles, and introduce new information into a conversation. Let's apply these phonetic and countable rules in real time. Fill in the blanks. He visits twice a week. She works as a nurse. I traveled to European country. The solutions: twice a week for frequency. She is a nurse for a profession. And a European country, because European begins with the consonant Y sound. Here is your summary for today. These are the 5 laws of article A. It means 1. It refers to anyone. It is used for the first mention of a noun. It is required for professions, and it only precedes singular countable nouns. You have now moved past the common habit of memorizing letters and instead learned the sonetic logic of the language. In our next lesson, we will look at article an. We will explain the specific sounds that allow us to say an MBA, but require us to say a one-time payment. Subscribe to the course to see how those phonetic rules connect.